Hey friends, welcome back. I'm so glad you've joined me today. We have snow in our forecast in the next couple days for 2 days in a row. And so we are going to head on out to the plot where I have our beets and our sugar peas growing. And we're going to go harvest those and get that harvest in before the snow falls. So come on, let's go. Okay, you can see here, I planted these pretty densely. Got some little ones, but looks like we've got some pretty good, nice sizes. Oh wow, great job, nice. That looks wonderful. So, I mean, you can harvest these when they're pretty little and tender. This is really tiny, but we'll make use of this. But this is a nice size. When they're tender, they tend to be a little bit more sweet then. If you let them get, you know, real big, they can become kind of woody. But you can see that our tops are dying back. You can eat these as well. I don't know that we will necessarily be eating the tops. We might salvage some of them and eat some of them, but I think we're gonna give a lot of them to our chickens. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Really nice. We planted 2 different kinds this year. We planted Detroit Red. Yeah, nice. Which is a red one. It's all deep red inside. And then we planted, how do you call it? Chioggia. The Chioggia beet is a heirloom variety from like the 1840s. And inside it's striped like a candy cane. So that should be interesting. I can't wait to try that. We'll see how that turns out. But this, I mean, this is, I'm really pleased with this so far. This is wonderful. And I mean, we planted pretty densely in here.
Look it.
I completely forgot that I had potatoes here before. We just pulled one up. We still oh my gosh, we still have some potatoes in the ground here. And these are totally fine because we haven't, this ground isn't frozen yet. So, what a nice little surprise.
Do we have more?
Is there any more in there?
I don't know.
I think it was just 2 plants. Yeah, this was what we pulled up from the other one that I had the camera off. What a fun surprise. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Another one!
Is there another one in there? Well, that looks like a big one.
Chachi, can you get the shovel?
Oh, there you go. Oh,
I see another
one.
Chachi, can you get that green shovel?
Okay, get it out. You can get it.
But it's... Here, Chachi, you can get it. Where is it?
Right here.
Can we dig
Careful not to poke it.
I'm not. Because then we can't.
Go along the side of it. Yep, you're very right there. If you poke it, then we won't be able to preserve it. We'll have to eat it up right away.
It's little.
But maybe we'll have to, maybe we'll eat these ones right away anyways. Nice. All right, 3rd potato plant we found. I'm pretty sure this is it. Sometimes you have little surprises in gardening and you miss some stuff. Oh, there's a beet.
That's like a red.
Is it a beet? Or is that a red potato? That might be red potatoes here.
Here you go.
Oh, yep, they're red potatoes.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, wow.
My, wow, look at that.
Here, Mama.
That's a nice one.
I want to grab it.
Nice little surprises in the garden. This is how you end up with volunteers when it comes to gardening. You miss something here or there and continues growing and pops up the next year. Yep, right here. There you go, baby. Good job.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Look at that, ladies.
Oh, Charming's trying to get in here. Hi, Charming.
All right, get on out of here.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that looks like that's it. Look at those. These are great. This is the perfect time to get these up. So these beets, they are perfectly good in the ground all the way down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and we've been getting pretty close to that. We are hanging around 30 degrees the last week, and so it's time to get these out. Now look at this. This is a big one. This is really good. And you know, this is a considerably small area that we've planted in. I did a high intensity planting. So sometimes you get a little less in size for your vegetables, and with beets that's completely, I'm completely fine with that. We'll have more tender beets than a woody, and we'll have much more. I mean, some of these are pretty tiny, but I mean, you can can these, you could pickle these up really nicely. Wow, look at this one, guys. This is I think this is the biggest one we've got. Wow. Is there another one? Wow. Look at those guys. Compared to the other ones. You can see some of the other ones we have are much smaller. Really nice. I'm really pleased with this. All right, we've got this nice little square area of sugar peas. You can see just how thick that is. We're gonna just come through and get all the last bits of the harvest. I don't think after this week, with the weather we've got coming, that we will be having anything after that. I don't think it will survive. So this will be a nice little treat to end the garden season. Taking these down. We just pull these down and lay them on the ground. Okay. Start pulling them up.
Can we start ripping everything off?
Yep.
There's still more though. Mom, why did we wrap around?
We'll just put them over here. I got it. And now that we've picked everything that we can see, we're just going to pull these and let them lay them on the ground to help produce a ground cover, and we're just going to let these compost right in place.
Yep, there you go. Thank you.
provide a ground cover to help prevent weeds from popping up, and this will compost right in place over winter, and we'll be able to come in here in the springtime and plant again. That's that. All right, guys, thanks for coming along with us today and hanging out. This is everything we got. Got some nice surprises, unexpected potato harvest. That's always a bonus. And I'm really happy with all these beets that we were able to harvest in such a tiny little space. Until next time, guys.